Hello everyone, add some hair glue or some hairspray to the hair. Then take a section from the front and then divide it into 3 parts and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair from the front part, that is the part that is closer to the face. Once you are done with these sections, include more and more sections of the hair from the back portion of the hair, that is the portion that is closer to the central parting. Next, take a section off the top, make a braid out of it, and right underneath it, take another section, make 2 divisions out of it. Include the first braid into it and make another braid. At the back, make another section in the middle, make a braid out of it and roll it up into a bun. Make 2 braids at the bottom, add a decorative clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and then add a long ribbon to it. Divide the hair into 2 parts as such. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, make 2 braids out of it accordingly. Once you are done with this, twist one on top of the other, roll it up and then tie it up in place. Make a section of the top part of the hair, tie a ponytail out of it. At the bottom, make 2 braids. Taking the ponytail at the top, wrap a bun stick around it and then roll it up, adjust it accordingly, add a decorative net to it. Tighten it as need be. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it, roll the section of the hair in on itself and make a braid out of it. Now take sections from the front of the head and then pull it through the braid as such. Do this on either side and then join it at the back in multiple sections. Take a section off the top of the scalp, divide it into 2 portions and then begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Include the sections of the hair from the side that is closer to the face. Do this on either side and then join the braid at the back, add a decorative bow. Divide it into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it, roll it upwards, make a bow out of it and add a hair stick. Take a section off the top, make 2 braids out of it, then take a section on the side and then join the braid to it with multiple rubber bands. Join it all together. Thank you for watching.